Alright guys, this is live. Okay. Today guys, I'm going to share with you the cure, guys. The cure for 6-7. As you know guys, 6-7 is a trending meme right now. Along with along with Tralalelo Tralala and Tungtung Sahur, which nobody likes. And plus, it's been the new era. We gotta let the new era come. But you guys still like it. Bruh, I don't even know what's making you guys like 6-7 anymore. Anyways, games like Roblox have invented a game called Steal a Brain Rot, which is basically a homeland for all the brain rots like 6-7, tralala. But today I'm gonna show you the cure. It's the cure for 6-7, tralala, and everything else that is infected by it. Well, I don't know the cure for tralala and Tungtung Sahur, but 6-7's cure is 8-9. Because when somebody says 6-7 right at your face, bruh, you gotta say 8-9. You gotta say 8-9 as an attack. And the ultimate attack is... For real guys, that is the cure. Now spread it. Spread it to all your social medias, your friends, the families, the schools, and everyone else. Share it to the whole world. Because, as you know, this is Christmas. And this is the ultimate gift for every single child. The cure to 6-7 has been resolved. Spread it now to end the era and support the great meme reset. Thanks, guys.